Using Apple Gift Card for Subscriptions, an ultimate guide.
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss a common question that many Apple users have. Is it possible to use an Apple gift card to pay for subscriptions on Apple Music or iCloud instead of a credit card?
What is an Apple gift card?
First, let's talk about what an Apple gift card is. An Apple gift card is a voucher that can be used in the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Books, for Apple Music subscriptions, and for iCloud storage plans. It's a versatile form of payment that you can use across Apple's digital services.
Can you use an Apple gift card for subscriptions?
Now, on to the heart of the matter. Yes, you can indeed use an Apple gift card to pay for subscriptions on Apple Music or iCloud. Apple allows users to use their gift cards to pay for various digital services, including Apple Music and iCloud subscriptions.
How do you use an Apple gift card for subscriptions?
Let's discuss how to use the gift card. You need to redeem your Apple gift card and make sure the balance is added to your Apple ID. Once the balance is there, it will be used for the payment of any subscriptions associated with your Apple ID, such as Apple Music or iCloud storage.
What happens when the gift card balance runs out?
You might wonder, what happens if your gift card balance runs out? If the balance of your gift card is exhausted, Apple will then charge the payment method associated with your Apple ID, such as a credit card, for the remainder of your subscription costs. If there's no associated payment method, you may need to provide one or cancel your subscriptions. That's it, folks. So, to answer the question, yes, you can absolutely use an Apple gift card to pay for your Apple Music or iCloud subscriptions instead of a credit card. Just remember to redeem your gift card to your Apple ID and keep track of your balance. We hope you found this guide useful, and we're looking forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future. See you in the next video.